A very good morning to everybody. I am Majid Manna. I'm continuing our series of chapter 1, class 11 sets. So, today we are going to briefly discuss our previous topic, roster form and stability form. After that, we are going to continue with belongs to property. Okay, so roster form, in which the elements sit immaterial. So the set are represented as like this. The roster form are being separated by commas and enclosed within bracket. For example, the set of even number, the set of even number less than 7. So we are going to write the set of even numbers which are less than 7. So we'll write it like that: 2, 4, 6. Continuing this 2 and then 4 and then 6. So in set builder form, what we have to do is all the elements that possess a single, or the element possesses a single common property which is possessed by, not possessed, which is not possessed effect. Okay, for example, we are again going to take it with a helpful example. So for example, odd number, if I will say you now, I just giving you this x such that x is an odd number all the elements I have listed here is odd number, and this odd, all numbers are always less than 10. So in this questions, in this highlight, we just got to know all the roster form. That is roster form, all the elements are listed separately, separating comma. Where is the settlement? Where is the settlement form? All the elements which is provided definition, so that all elements cover the definition, and also other elements should not be there who have the same property as the property we have right now discussed. Okay. Coming to our today's topic, which is going to be belongs to and non belongs to. Actually, I have to take a pen, but I took something else right now. So not belongs to. For example, I have a symbolic representation. This does not belongs to. I have a representation of this. So we are going to take an example here right now. With an example, like this. And now, four is an element of such a big questions. We just simply ask you that is 4 belongs to A or not. So, as you can see easily that 4 is already present in this set A, so we ask it like this, that yes, 4 belongs to A. On the other hand, if I ask you is, is 7 belongs to A, belongs to A, as you go to the set A and you just find where is the 7 written in this set, you will find that 7 is not belong to this, 7 does not belong to this set, so you just put A does not belongs to sign in this, fill in the blanks. So this is today's topic. We will have to find that which element is set and then write belongs to sign. If that element is not present in the set, then we will put does not belong to sign in this. Okay, so we are going to solve some question on behalf of this. What is, let A be the set 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we have 4, 5, 6. Appropriate symbols belongs to in the blank space. So F belongs to A. Second question is 8 belongs to A? Third question is 0 belongs to A? Fourth question is 4 belongs to A? Fifth question is 2 belongs to A? And sixth question is 10 belongs to A? So what would be your answer in this case? So you go to set A and find this 5 in this whole set. You just find the set 5 here. So you would put a belongs to sign here. You go to set and find the element 8 in the set, and you do not find 8 here. So in this whole set 1 2 3 4 5 6 is written. So 8 is not present in this. So you put a and 0 here. So you put and does not belong to set. Okay, you go to here and you find 4, so you put a belongs to set here. Then you go to find here and you find 2, so you put a belongs to sign here. And you go to come here and 10 is not present here, so rather you just put does not belongs to here. So this is our today's topic, and we will solve another question next time. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for such amazing videos, and we will very soon continue with this course.